For the removal of the backrest release in the S-Class Cabrio, first move the corresponding front seat all the way forward and up. Undo the screws on the seatback frame. Then unhook the left and right holder of the tensioning element. Remove the tensioning element by moving it outwards and down. Now adjust the seat back slightly backwards. Remove the retaining clip from the left and right side of the bracket. Then remove the cable tie from the cable and disconnect the electrical connectors. Then unhook the blind from the headrest. Now pull out the headrest upwards. Thread the cable and the plug carefully through the guide. Unclip the paneling from the seat back and remove it. Unhook the front part of the cover, then the other part. Underneath are two screws. Unscrew them both. Then unlock the seat backrest and fold it forward. Remove the cable ties from the Bowden cable and take off the seat back release until you get access to the Bowden cable. Installation is in the reverse order.